Hi everyone, my name is Tiwari and in this video I am going to walk you through NxtTrendz, a full stack e-commerce web application I built from scratch using React, Node.js, Express, MongoDB and deployed on AWS EC2. This is not just a front-end project, it has a complete backend with JWT authentication, Razorpay payment integration, Prime subscription and persistent cart management. So let's dive deep in. Let me quickly walk through the tech stack. On the front end, I used React with Vite and CSS. The backend is Node.js with Express. Database is MongoDB Atlas. And for payment, I integrated Razorpay. This whole thing's deployed on AWS EC2 with Nginx and PM2. So here, how everything connects. Nginx sits in the front and serves React static file for front-end route and proxying API request to the Express backend, and PM2 keeps the backend running persistently. So let me show you the live app now. Here, this application run on AWS EC2. So let me create a free account first. I'll fill in my name, email, and password. Here plan selection is there, so user can select free plan or prime plan for Rs 499 per month. I'm going to create a free account for now. So after registration, JW token is stored in the local storage and user logged in the application without any extra step needed. So this is the product page. Here is the interesting things like the product does not directly come from third-party API on the front end. It comes through my backend proxy. So my backend called next web product API with cache token cached for 55 minutes to avoid unnecessary API calls. So let me show you the filters working. Here I search for a mixer and let me select a category and rating as above 4. So here I can see all the filtration work in proxy. So let me click on the product. Here the full product details along with some similar products are shown in this product detail page. So as a free user, I am like user able to see get exclusive deal banner. So let me upgrade to the prime. So when user click on that, Razorpay checkout will be open in test mode. So I'll be using net banking for now. So this is a happen in test mode. So any bank will be work. So I'm going to use IDBI. So the payment is in processing mode. So it asks for success and failure. I click on the success. Like after payment successful, the backend verify Razorpay signature with using like HMAC SHA-256. This is a critical step that confirms the payment is genuine and not tampered, and a new token with each prime set to true will be issued. So here the UI update automatically because auth context detect the each prime updates. So here I am able to see the exclusive prime deals. So let me add some product in the cart. Notice how cart count in the navbar update immediately. This is optimistic UI update. The item appear instantly while API call happen in the background. Let me add few more item in the cart. So here in the cart, with all item I can increment decrement quantity. This update are debounced, meaning API fire only after 500 milliseconds after last click. So this prevents hammering backend with rapid clicks. So my cart is persistent in MongoDB. So if I refresh the cart, cart is still there. See, you can see that my cart is still cart persists, refreshes. So now let me check out. Here in the checkout page, the price is calculated, cart price is calculated through backend. This prevent price manipulation. Let me check out this time using wallet. I'm going to select Airtel Payment Bank. The payment is processed. It asks for success and failure. I select success, I click success. So after payment successful, then my order is created. This prevent creating order, orphaned order in the database. So here it navigate me to order success page where order ID and price is there. So let me see my order. Here in the history page showing all my past order, newest first. Let me expand. So here at the top, this is the order ID, total price and order status, and each order contains items, its quantity and price along with name and image. And in the bottom right, it's calculated total amount. So for deployment, I used AWS EC2 Ubuntu server with Nginx reverse proxy as reverse proxy, as you can see in the architecture diagram. So Nginx serves React production build for frontend routes and proxying API requests to Express. PM2 manage Node.js process with automatic restart on server reboot. Elastic IP ensure the public address stay consistent. This is the IP we have been using, this is the URL we have been using throughout this demo. So the complete source code is on GitHub, link in the description. The README contains project setup, complete project setup instruction, API documentation, architecture diagram. So this project taught me about production deployment, API payment integration, and how to build production grade backend, just beyond simple CRUD operation. So if you found this video useful, drop a like and subscribe. Links of live demo and GitHub repository in the description. Thanks for watching this video.